Legos. Legos and Legos and Legos and Legos. In the YouTube channel. Yo, hey, welcome, guys. Dude, welcome, guys. Look, I made this cool fidget cube made of Lego. Look, first there's a joystick. Feel there, turning thing. There, look, see, button. You can press it. A ball. And the best part is you can slide these pieces, and inside there's a $100 bill. You can barely see that because it's too dark. Put it closer. See, it's a $100 bill. Look, I'm not kidding you. There's even a turning thing there, right there. So cool, so cool, so cool, so cool. I'll show you how to build it in a second, but please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please like. But that's my mom doing important stuff. See? Look, I opened the fidget cube, and let me tell you that I'll reveal that there is really a $100 bill. Look, see? It's magic. Actually, it's okay, let's put it back. Okay, I have this $100 bill in my hand right here. Oopsies. I'm sorry. Look. Okay. Anyway, I'll show you how to build it. First, you'll just need a little ball or marble in case, because this thing isn't entirely made of Lego, just one piece, okay? One marble. And you'll need two 4x4 plates. Put the marble right there. Hold it. And then put this piece on the side. Hold it on. See? Like this. Like that. Okay, see? There's one piece and you put it right there. Now, you'll have to put two 2x2s and try to put it right there. And then to make the top part, you will need one of the things that have holes, which are 2x2, which have a hole in the middle, one single hole, not two holes. And then you'll need one of these pieces, and then one of this yellow piece that you can put in the hole, and then you'll need one of these, which you can put it in there, and it's harder to get out. And then, look. Oh, I'm sorry that sounded just my father watching some news. Okay, so look. And then you put it right on there, and put the circle thing right on there, and back, and the thing that's stuck right there, and then put one 2x4 mat, flat tile, yeah, and then you just need two 2x2s, and then you'll need one 4x2, but I use two 4x4s. This is the top part, and you can put right put it right on here, like this, okay? And then, now this is the harder part. You need one of these pieces that you can put this piece on it, and then this is just for decoration, okay? And then you'll need another one of this piece to put it right through that, and you'll need another one of that piece, which you put it in that hole, and then you'll need one of these pieces, and then you will need another one with the same piece that I just mentioned earlier, this piece, and then you'll need one piece that you can put this into, and then you have to put two 2x2s again, but they're flat. And also, lastly, you'll need one 4x2, and then you put it right there, no mistakes. Ta-da! Okay, I think that's okay. And then all you need is just these flat. All you need to make the last top part is flat tiles, 4 flat tiles, one 4x2 right there. You see that? One 1x2, and then you put them right there. See that? Okay. So see. Oh, I forgot to mention to you. Let me see. This. Oh. Tile. And you'll need a 4x1 right there. And some 1x1s. Oops, sorry. Some 1x1s. And then another 1x, and another 2 flat 1x1s. Yep, that's exactly all. And then now all you have to do is just put this right there, which you will be done already. See, it's already working. Yeah, everything's working. So please subscribe to my video and like to my channel.